We're here at Cars of Dreams with John Staluppi. We have a great announcement to make. John?
Well, we're going to be here in West Palm Beach selling 35 cars. You know, it's so much fun to be at Barrett-Jackson. It's so much fun to have everybody here to join us. And when you see this collection this time, it's incredible. Greg, this car here is unbelievable. It's got an LS1 supercharged motor with all the newest pulleys and underneath chrome that they've done on this car.
They put an Edelbrock on top, but they hid it the way they did it.
I mean, when I first saw this car, I said, wow. I wasn't even sure what motor it was so impressive to me. And then when you come around and you look at the inside of this car, the seat was moved back, so if you want to get in here, you got plenty of room. Tilt wheel they put in here. Stingray interior that's dyed to match the color of the interior. This is real Stingray. And power windows. And then the paint on this car, it's like a fire mist gray. I mean, incredible. And they put the big brakes in the car, front and rear. I mean, you want to talk about a car. And then look at the size of them exhaust pipes coming out, Greg.
It's got to sound nasty.
Oh, yeah,
four-wheel disc brakes, all modernized on the whole car.
This car you could take anywhere. You could drive it anywhere. I mean, this is a real resto mod.
This is the epitome of it. It's got a 4L60 automatic in it, so you got a 4-speed automatic. It is the best of the best, and the gentleman that builds these takes a lot of time to make sure that everything fits. His cars are well sorted out. Whenever he brings one to the auction, we tell people there's a few guys that build great cars, and he is one of them. You had a great eye when you picked this one out.
Oh, yeah. Everybody knows that Barrett-Jackson has the finest quality cars, and they got a team of people that look at these cars. They know what they're doing. Let me tell you, this one's going to be a killer, and these cars are just going up in value, and you got to get them soon because you're not going to be able to buy them. So we'll see you then.
And the best part is they're all selling at no reserve at our April 2022 auction, the 7th through the 9th, selling Cars of Dreams. Make it here.